Today we're repairing a Honda EA6 with a non-functional air conditioner. First, we get in the car and test the air conditioner to check startup. The AC button and control switch turn on normally, yet no cold air blows out. We connect the diagnostic scanner to check for fault codes and select Intelligent Diagnosis. Then pull up the diagnostic report. We can see that the VCU is reporting an open circuit on the low-speed fan enable line. After retrieving the fault code, we go to the front of the vehicle to inspect the cooling fans. As you can see, both two fans remain stationary even after switching on the AC. Under normal conditions, a cooling fan should spin once the engine and AC are activated. I can hear the compressor run briefly, but the fans stay off. Common causes of cooling fan failure include fan unit damage, insufficient refrigerant, and electrical circuit faults. We unplug the fan connector to measure incoming power supply. Among the three wires, one is positive and another is negative. We carry out voltage measurement right away, and the multimeter shows no voltage import. This is a low voltage component, which should receive around 14 volts with the vehicle running, yet there is no power currently. We trace the wiring upstream to the fuse box and open it up. We check the fuses one by one, referencing the fuse box schematic, to locate the fan's corresponding fuse and relay. According to the records, this 40A fuse belongs to the cooling fan circuit. We remove the fuse and switch the multimeter to resistance mode to test continuity. The multimeter beeps and displays continuity reading, meaning the fuse is intact. We reinstall the good fuse back into position. Next step is inspecting the relay. According to data, it is relay number 15. If we count from here, it's the 5th relay. This is one of the relays for this fan. We remove the faulty fan relay for testing. We first measure the resistance between pin 85 and pin 86, which reads 76.6 ohms, close to the standard approximate 80 ohms, so the coil resistance is normal. We apply 12V power to pins 85 and 86 via power clips to test relay pull-in performance. After power supply continuity test shows infinite resistance, indicating the relay contact stays open. We take a brand new relay and run the identical test. Connect clips to pin 85 and pin 86. Now let's turn on the machine, then connect the multimeter. A clear beep sounds to confirm conductive connection. The old relay never produced a beep or closed its circuit during testing, proving internal damage. We fit the new relay onto the vehicle and start the engine before turning on the AC for verification. The compressor kicks into operation and the cooling fans start rotating visibly. With fans working after AC activation, the core fault is fixed. Let's clear the trouble codes now. Cold air comes out from the air conditioner with normal outlet temperature. Let's go straight to the VCU and read the trouble codes. That previous fault is no longer present. We leave the air conditioner running on the vehicle for 10 minutes to half an hour for long-duration trial run to rule out intermittent failure.
Later.
After the waiting period, the air conditioning system keeps running smoothly without any malfunction.